Fifth lesson of basic Chinese course. In this lesson, we will learn about where, there, here. The contents for today's lesson are introduction, characters typing, question and answer session, and vocabulary. So in today's lesson, we will learn about where, there, and here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so for these three words, we know the where is actually a question. Okay, we are asking question in this word where. Okay, this is actually a question. Okay, and these two are answer. For example, we are indicating to someone that maybe it's there, it's here. Okay, so in Chinese, for example, in English, we ask someone where is my mobile. Okay, for example, you are in your home and you don't know where you have put your mobile, and you're asking your parents or maybe your brother or sister, where is my mobile. Okay, where is my mobile. Okay, example question is where is my mobile. Okay, where is my mobile. So in Chinese, first of all, okay, in Chinese we can translate, we can speak in this pattern 我的手机在哪儿 Okay, 我的手机在哪儿 Where is my mobile phone? Okay, so first of all, we come to the pattern. I have told you before, the Chinese sentences pattern isn't same as English. Okay, for example, okay, in Chinese for the pattern, sentence pattern, Chinese is like 我的手机 okay, which means like my mobile. Okay, and 在 okay, 哪儿 which means where. So where is the last here, but where is in English, in the English sentences the question asked the first, okay, the start of the sentence, but in Chinese it's actually at the last. So remember, for the sentence pattern, okay, the Chinese sentence pattern isn't actually same as English. Okay, remember this. Where is my mobile? Where is my mobile? Okay, 我的 means 我 means I, the is actually particle word using for the subject pronouns. Okay, for the subject pronouns, this word indicates something belonging to this person. Okay, for example, I'm talking about the mobile, so this word shows the indication that this thing belongs to this person. Okay, because I'm asking question about my thing. Okay, about my mobile, so it indicates something shown for this guy. Okay, belonging to this guy. 我的 means my, 我的手机 means mobile phone. Okay, 手机 so is actually means hand. Okay, hand, and G is actually machine. So for example, anything we are taking any type of machine we are taking in hand is called 手机, but remember, it's not actually any type of, okay, it's just this name is specially chosen for the mobile. For example, mobile is also like a machine. Okay, it's also like a machine, we are taking it in our hands. Okay, so it's like cell phone. How do we say cell phone? It's 手机 okay, 手机在哪儿 is actually 哪 means where, and the this is actually a particle word with particle word uses with the where, there, here. With these three words we can use this okay, 哪儿. If we don't use this, it's okay, we can simply ask. Okay, if you don't use it, it's okay, the meaning is still okay. Where is my mobile? 我的手机在哪? It's okay, but grammatically it's very best. Okay, if you use this particle word with this 哪, okay, so grammatically it will like very nice, very perfect. Okay, 我的手机在哪? Okay, remember 哪? Okay, so for there we can say 哪. Okay, the pinyin is same with this one, 哪. The pinyin is same, remember. Okay, but the tones are not. Okay, the tones are not the same. Okay, remember, if it's with the third tone 哪, which means asking question where. Okay, and if it's with the fourth tone 哪, which means answer there. Where's my mobile phone? It's there, 在哪. Okay, 在哪. Remember, the pinyin is same for both where and there, but the tones are different. Okay, where is having the third tone, and 哪 is having the fourth tone. Okay, but for here it's very easier. Okay, easiest tone 这儿 means here. Okay, 我的手机在哪儿 where is my mobile phone? It's there. 在那儿 Okay, we are not asking question. We are answering 那儿 there. Okay, where is my mobile phone? It's here. Okay, the same. We are answering. We are not asking the question. So 这儿 okay 这儿 simple as that. Where is my mobile? 我的手机在哪儿？我的手机在哪儿 Okay, so for this question, someone can answer us 你的 we are asking about our phone, so another person can answer us 你的 for example ours. Okay, 你的手机在 for example if it's there, so they will put this word this 哪儿 instead of 哪儿 this where. Okay, 你的手机在哪儿 your mobile phone is there. Okay, your mobile phone is there. 你的手机在哪儿 Okay, 我的手机在哪儿 where is my mobile? 你的手机在哪儿 your mobile is there. Okay, or maybe your mobile is here. 你的手机在这儿 Okay, for example your mobile is here 这儿 Okay, okay, 你的手机在这儿 Okay, but this was just an example for mobile phone. Okay, you can use such example for each and everything. For example, you're asking about your notebook from a classmate. For example, you're asking your classmate where is your book. Okay, where is your book? So in that case you can ask where is your okay, you can ask him where is your book. Okay, so in that case we will ask instead of 我的 because you are asking about his book. Okay, so we will change this one 你的 so for the book we say 书你的书 Okay, 你的书在哪 where is your book? Okay, where is your book? 你的书在哪儿 we are asking a question 你的书在哪儿 Okay, so our classmate can answer. For example, his book he lived in the school, so he can answer 我的书在学校 Okay, 学校 means school 学校 Okay, 学 means learning, and the 校 is actually place where we learn. Okay, so which means school. So if we ask our classmate where is his book, okay, 你的书在哪儿 Okay, remember 哪儿 remember. Okay, make sure the pronunciation. Okay, if I ask 你的书在哪儿 which means this 哪儿 Okay, it's not this one, so make the pronunciation clear. Okay, and pay more attention to the tones. 你的书在哪儿 where is your book. Okay, so our classmate can answer 我的书在学校 For example, he have lost his book, he have forgotten his book in the school, so he can answer us, oh, my book is in the school. 我的书在学校 Okay, 学校 Okay, for example, you can also ask about different question. Okay, where is my mobile? Where is my pocket? Where is my money? Okay, where is my car? Where is my bank card? For each and every step. Okay, so the patterns goes in the same way. Remember, okay, where means 哪儿 na. Okay, this pinyin with the third tone. Remember, with the third tone. Okay, this is the third tone. 哪儿 which means we are asking question 哪儿 where. Okay, 哪儿 dear means 哪儿 Okay, the same pinyin but with the different tone. Okay, the fourth tone 哪儿 Okay, it's not a question we are answering someone. 哪儿 dear here there. Okay, 哪儿 Jer means here. Okay, this and here we can use for same for both of these same pinyin. Okay, Jer is also with the fourth tone. So during we are pronouncing this word, we should make sure that the tunes is like the fourth tone, and we are pronouncing it very shortly. Okay, Jer, simple. Okay, it's not Jer, no, simple. Okay, the fourth tone Jer. Nar. Okay, so if you are asking someone where is my mobile, okay, 我的手机 okay, this 手 is with the third tone, 手机 is with the first tone, the flat tone, 手机在哪儿 ？Where? Okay, 哪儿？你的 Okay, and someone is answering us. Your mobile is there. Okay, 你的手机在哪儿 ？Okay, your mobile phone is there. 你的手机在哪儿 ？Okay, or your mobile phone is here. 你的手机在这儿 ？Okay, here, 这儿 Okay, if you're asking our classmate that where is his book, so you can answer 你的书在哪儿 ？Where is your book? Okay, 你的书在哪儿 So he can answer. For example, he have his book with himself. For example, so he can answer us. 我的书在这儿 means my book is here. 我的书在这儿 if he's answering us, my book is there. Okay, so he can answer 我的书在那儿 Okay, sorry, 那儿 yes, there. Okay, my book is there, so he can answer 我的书在那儿 Okay, so if for example he's answering us, my book is in the school, so he can answer us 我的 Okay, 我的书在学校，我的书在学校。You can also ask from your friends, for example, you can ask your brother, where's dad? 爸爸在哪儿 Where's dad? Okay, so if you're outside, he can answer, oh, 爸爸 father is in the home, so he can answer 爸爸 Okay, 爸爸在家 Okay, 家 Okay, 家 means home. 爸爸在家，妈妈在哪儿 Where is mom? Mom is in the home. 妈妈在家 Okay, for example, mom is outside, father is outside, so your brother, your sister can answer you. 父母 parents are outside. 父母在外面 Y means outside and 面 is also like particle word. Okay, 外面 so parents are outside. 父母在哪儿 Where are the parents? Parents are outside. 父母在外面，父母在外面。我的手机在哪儿？你的手机在这儿。你的手机在哪儿 There, okay? 我的书在哪儿 Where is my book? Okay, 你的书在学校 in the school. Okay, where is my book? Your book is in the school. 你的书在学校 Okay, so let's revise it. 哪儿 means where. 那儿 means there. 这儿 means here. Okay, where is my mobile? 我的手机在哪儿？我的手机在哪儿 Okay, or where is my book? 我的书在哪儿？我的书在哪儿 Okay, so the answer could be like 你的手机在那儿 There. Okay, 你的手机在这儿 Here. 你的手机在学校 Your mobile phone is in the school. 你的手机在学校 Okay, and the last one is like we are asking about our book. 我的 or maybe we are asking from our classmate or friend. Okay, 你的书 Where is your book? 你的书在哪儿 So you can answer 我的书在这儿 Here. 我的书在那儿 There. 我的书在学校 My book is in the school. Okay, 学校哪儿 means where. 哪儿 means there. 那儿 Okay, 这儿 means here. 这儿
Coming to the characters typing session. 你的书在哪儿？你的书在哪儿？ Where is your book? Okay, 书 means book. 你的书在哪儿 Okay, so we have two characters, number 1 and number 2. Both are, number 1 is for question, which means where, and number 2 is for answering for there. Okay, so we are asking about the question where is your book, so we will choose the right character, which is number 1. 哪儿 Okay, 你的书在哪儿？我的书在学校。My book is in school. Okay, 我的书在学 校学校 means school 学校我的手机在哪儿 Okay, Sam, you're asking question. Where is my mobile phone? 我的手机 Okay, 手机在哪儿 Okay, so character number 1 is right. 我的手机在哪儿 Okay, the answer is 你的手机在这儿 Your mobile phone is here. Here means 这儿 Okay, 这儿你的手机在这儿 OK, 你的手机在这儿你的书在哪儿你的书在哪儿 Where is your book? 我的书在学校 my book is in school. 我的书在学校我的手机在哪儿 Where is my mobile phone? 我的手机在哪儿你的手机在这儿 Your mobile phone is here. 你的手机在这儿 Okay, next slide. 我的笔在哪儿 Where is my pen? 我的笔在哪儿我的笔在哪儿 Where is my pen? 我的笔在哪儿你的笔在哪儿 Okay, so now this is also 哪儿 but this is the answer. Okay, your pen is there 哪儿 Okay, there. Where is my pen 哪儿 which means question where we don't know. You're asking the question where. Okay, and the answer is 哪儿 means there. This is the answer. Okay, 你的笔在哪儿 Okay, here we will choose character number 2 because there is the answer which means your pen is there. Okay, 我的笔在哪儿 Where is my pen? 我的笔在哪儿你的笔在哪儿 Your pen is there. 你的笔在哪儿
Today's vocabulary are 哪儿 means where 哪儿这儿 means here 这儿哪儿 means there 哪儿书 means book 书学校 means school 学校手机 means mobile phone 手机笔 means pen 笔我的 means mine 我的你的 means yours 你的